We're here in Slovakia. We've rented our car, parked it. We're on our way to Poland. We just stopped for a break. We're gonna check out this restaurant, bar, pub, see what it's like. Anybody speak Slovak? Could help us right now. This looks delicious. Some green beans, some steak with raspberry and pineapple sauce, baked potatoes, and roasted vegetables. Woke up this morning in Poland. We have our first taste of snow. Our first few days in Poland were packed full of history. We visited the Auschwitz I and the Auschwitz II Birkenau concentration camps, which was an amazingly powerful experience. And we ventured into the depths of the Wilshka salt mine, taking in the beautifully sculpted statues and the grand cathedrals with beautiful chandeliers. We weren't done there, however. We had a bit more history to take in. We joined a free walking tour to learn more about the local area, venturing through Old Town and across the Father Bernatek footbridge that connects Plak Wolnica and Rynek Pożorski, an ideal destination for a pub crawl. We stepped back in time as we entered the famous Schindler's factory, a must-see if you're in Krakow. We followed the well-laid-out museum through this part of history that affected so many people. During our 4 days in Poland, we ate some pretty amazing food. But this place, recommended by our Airbnb host, was by far the best. Pierogies of every variety, handmade with love. We got a couple of dumplings. We got the ruski, potatoes, cottage cheese, and onion. And we got the grilled turkey, dried tomato, and baked pepper. I'm not quite sure what this is yet, but Taryn just brought it over, so we'll see. What is this?
This is our borscht.
Of course, it's borscht.
It's very good.
Yeah, nice.
Not as good as my mom.
It kind of looks like mulled wine now. It's weird. Is that warm? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's
So this is grilled turkey.
Grilled turkey?
And this is the ruski.
Ruski.
This is sour cream, and this is the garlic sauce.
Okay. Sour cream, garlic sauce, ruski, turkey, a couple of coffees, borscht. We're set.
Set.
All for about 18 bucks. All right, it's official. They're all very delicious. I think we both like this one more, the turkey. But they're both delicious.
Experimenting.
Oh, that's interesting. Turkey and the borscht sauce. Oh, that was the regular one? Oh.
Why not?
Why not?
It's great.
Follow us on Instagram. So we just got to Poland and I found these. They're like milkshakes that taste like chocolate bars. Which flavor to choose?
Actually the same price.
Those are fun too.
It's the same price as this for the same
It's the
amount.
regular cheese. Same amount of cheese.
It says 150
grams.
grams.
Yeah.
I don't know what type of cheese it is.
I chose the Twix. Taryn thinks I'm disgusting, but I'm gonna give it a
Oh,
try.
it's Gouda.